Folks, welcome back again. I'm gonna make some fried plantains outdoor. See, I got my real Jamaican coconut oil.
Right.
Okay.
Straight from the coconut.
Straight from the coconut, natural.
Natural. No.
Good John narrating.
Nothing had into it.
Oh, you so sure, John?
Nothing had into that one. That one is pure.
We give the oil a minute to get hot, then I'm gonna drop
Yeah,
my.
give a minute to get
I
hot.
pre-cut this plantains this morning, guys. If y'all don't know what plantain is, it's a cousin of banana.
Yes. Cut it on fried.
So I slice it up.
Nice
and
with bread and egg.
get the oil.
Nice with bread and egg.
Nice with bread and egg.
Right. Yeah, man. Pure Jamaican style. When you ready? No flour.
No flour. What is meant by no flour, John?
That
So,
means say we not no flour.
I know to adjust the fire and all
And
that.
the
Yeah,
flour things you're doing.
that fire is hot right there. I can tell you that.
Yeah, I know that smoke's
Ooh.
hitting me right in the face.
After teaching to fry plantain, you can.
Really?
If I clean to you, like
The day, you know, man, it's good. Man. The day you teach me something in the kitchen, John, is the day I retire from the kitchen.
me teach you to cook banana and turn mackerel.
John likes to do the easy cooking.
That day can't come no time soon.
Yeah,
You're retiring from the kitchen.
Me?
Unless you're
You know,
hiring
my
Gav
wife
to
tell me
cook.
I'm not going to retire from the kitchen.
Yes, the big chef Gav.
Right.
Tapa chef coconut run down with it, lick your finger.
So that means that if you don't
Hold
want to
up.
watch
I haven't had rundown since I've been here. Don't be talking about rundown.
cook every day, right?
Curry bean and them stuff
That
there.
means you're supposed to be watching and learning,
Yeah.
John.
Curry bean with white rice. Very nice. Yeah, man. Enjoy Jamaican food. Ackee and saltfish.
Yes.
Right, with the bread.
Well, that's cooking fast.
So, yeah. I believe to make this stay a little bit before I turn them over. So when they start to stick, or you know, you have to keep on
Stir them.
moving it every time.
Me
This
too,
is very
Gavin.
nice, German. I love it. Not too sweet. Just normal on the gully side.
Don't
Yeah,
we have
from the
some
gully
ackee
side.
left over?
Yes.
Yes, I want that. Oh yeah, and some callaloo.
That's the thing. What looks up me here and we don't get it. Look.
It wasn't all the way on the fire, that's why. Yeah, I like bread sandwich with some
With some mayonnaise.
eggs and stuff like that. But
Did
I'm
you
here,
say
I wanna get
mayonnaise?
stuff
Yeah,
that's
mayonnaise and
natural,
butter in the
you know.
bread and peanut butter. Nice.
Fire, yeah.
Dicky, that's right.
That's a ghetto sandwich right
What's a
there.
ghetto sandwich?
Mayonnaise and butter.
Sometimes
That's what we
you
ate
can
when we didn't have
afford.
nothing else.
Yeah, that's what I said. What you can afford. It's not a
Right,
ghetto
I think
sandwich.
that's
Okay, let me rephrase. Broke people sandwich.
Yeah, the fire is not balanced, so
What's it called,
you know.
Nicky?
I should
Broke
have
people
it
sandwich.
balanced
Broke
before.
people sandwich.
Yes.
Let me try to balance it.
Brother, if you try balance at the plant, I'm going to brother.
Here we go.
Aye.
See?
So you put 2 more pieces of plant as long as you go the way, as long as you meanwhile going, you put pin piece at the other side. Right.
Ooh, that piece kind of burnt.
Yeah, country man in there now.
Yeah, we got you on camera, sir.
So you see we're getting it. So
your
this is the
burnt
way it's supposed to look
plantain.
nice and golden brown, not like this piece right here. But I'm still gonna put it down the chimney. It's not gonna waste.
That piece.
You know what's down the chimney, folks?
That piece is
Down the
very,
chimney.
that piece spoiled, folks.
Yeah, right. It's going down the chimney, okay?
That one spoiled.
Everybody, John is not on the good side this morning because John did some bull crap yesterday. We wait for John all day, yo. John left work at 2 o'clock yesterday.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
And then we come back.
We wait for John until 6:30.
No. When we come here, you're gone.
John, what time you get here, John?
We get here last area and we look.
Let's see where hold up.
And they look for your car.
Well, he's
1
right,
p.m.
we
this
were
morning,
gone.
John.
Yes, Dicky.
You left, you didn't even move the goat. You didn't do nothing. I have to move this goat for him. Poor mama goat to me, cry for me.
Oh,
Ah! I'm like, I'm not John.
Mama go to crying for Jamerican.
Yes, she did.
You got to put in the suitcase and it go over.
Yeah.
And carry your backside. Go and find
I
it.
can't go to the butcher. I was telling God, John, if you're willing to sell them, I'll buy it toward him from you. Since you're free, since you don't want to move out.
No, man.
Nature, man.
Ah, yeah, Jamie. Jamie, that goat is a good goat.
You really?
Yes.
And treat her like a good girl then, man.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm on the final batch.
Yeah, I'm turning up on some orange tree.
Orange tree.
Sour orange. Here's
Sour
our orange.
orange. Yeah, sour orange.
Right. And this one is torture.
Gosh, John's doing a yard tour.
Cook it with saltfish. Very nice.
Yeah, you're right about that, yeah.
Yes. Then grandma and dear, grandma is cooking.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some, chocho with saltfish.
Yeah, man, and grandma dear, grandma.
I haven't had it with saltfish. I love chocho
Oh yeah,
though.
it's good.
Yeah, making nice when they push it with saltfish. Master, you know what it is?
I had chocho by itself, not with saltfish.
Nice
Yeah, man.
saltfish.
I think I made it with saltfish, but you didn't want none. You was like, no, baby, I don't want to try it.
When?
That was when I didn't think you
Like chocho?
yeah, okay, until you start to read up
Shift
and get
my-
into your Filipino thing and you just realize, oh, chocho is good.
No, the Filipino thing. Healthy thing.
Yeah, healthy thing, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna take this off right here.
Everything I eat from the Philippines is unhealthy.
Everything what?
That I love in Filipino food is not quite healthy.
That's why she loved the Jamaican. So this is coming out, this is the final batch, you see? Golden brown, good to go. Outdoor style.
John, took up your cup enough for me to ask you and broke up on your back.
We shooting.
You got back camera right up, brother.
So folks, this is good. This is the real color. Nice, you know me, your golden brown. Alright, so just take a look at that. Beautiful. I have two different cuts. And can't go wrong with this. Okay? It's not sticking and it's just beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful. Well done. Take this last piece out. Put this part on the file. Whoa.
Be careful with that kind of pan, brother. We both of you.
Yeah, because this
Don't
not,
touch that. Yeah, you better help it.
it's not sturdy.
Ooh, can you cook my shrimp in there?
What shrimp? I'm gonna cook your shrimp for you later on, a different style. So I'm gonna cook shrimp for my wife later on. You don't want some potato curry shrimp?
No, can you fry it this time?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. No,
Oh no! Rundown.
Alright, we're gonna do some rundown shrimp for my wife later on. Okay, so guys, so this is it. Fried golden plantains, outdoor Jamaican style. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have a request, anything you want me to do. I'm in Jamaica right now. I'm heading back to America in a few days time, but I'm outdoors. I'm doing a lot of outdoor stuff. All right, so see you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right, one love. See y'all later.